You say you want me then? Show me. Show me. Show me. You know your body can. Troll me. Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Yeah. And today I'm here with my G. Show Me, Apollo.Wav. The song name is Show Me. The guy name is Apollo.Wav. This guy done some work for me in the past. Made some rhythms. So if you need your rhythm mech, link this guy. I'm gonna put his socials in the description of this video. So he drop a song, he link me and say, yo bro, react for me. And I couldn't say no. I couldn't say no because you do good to people who do good to you. You understand? So one thing me gonna tell you though, brother. If the song not good, I'm gonna tell you. If the song not good, me I gonna tell you. So if me tell you, don't vex with me. Alright? If the song not good, me I gonna tell you. Alright? Not because, but still for all. Yeah? Alright, let's go. Let's go. This Scar Show Me, guys. Let's go. Shot and edit by MOTIONCRAFT Entertainment. Apollo, and I'm in a class. And this beat, I know this is Apollo's beat. Oh, yeah, Liz. Boss a daydream. Yeah, the boss a daydream already. The boss a shake around and just in a trance. Yeah? But that beat, I know that's Apollo's beat, definitely. Girl hot.
You know I go crazy for your love, I go do anything for your love, yeah. But why you they go do me corny? I know you want me. You say you hate being lonely, so come on and show me.
First critique. Follow me, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Just a bit too much auto-tune in my ear. More I hear you more, more I hear your voice more. This is probably your first project putting out, so I'm just gonna give you some constructive criticism. I'm not gonna beat you. More I hear you more I hear your natural voice more. A bit too much auto-tune for me. But so far the video clean, get them look good. Let's go.
You know your body control me. You know it control me. You say you want me to show me. Come on and show me. You say you want me to show me. Show me. Show me. You know your body control me. Show me.
So the boss shake her hand and the boss get pussy with. Cause that is what happened. Him shake her hand and fall in love. Or a dream same way. Him probably a dream same way said, let's go.
Show me. You say you want me to show me.
Show me.
Show me. You say you want me to show me. Show me. Show me. Show me. I think about all the things you did to me. Yeah. Trying to get closer to you so you can see. Yeah. Wanna take you global all across the sea. Going crazy, know your body's calling me. But why you they go do me corny? I know you want me.
This have an Afrobeat vibe to it. This have an Afrobeat vibe to it. Was that the sound you was aiming for? Because if that was the sound, you definitely have it. With the beat and stuff. So yeah.
You say you hate being lonely, so come on and show me. You know your body control me. You know it control control me. You say you want me to show me. Come on and show me. You say you want me to show me.
Show me. Catch it, catch it. Show me. Show me. Show me. You say you want me, then show me. Prove to me, say you want me. You say you want me, prove to me. Show me. Cause you know your body control me. Your body not control. Fear body not control me. Me control me. But she control him. You know what I mean? She control Apollo. Apollo, the girl got your lock. The girl have you in one headlock, my friend. Jeez.
Show me, you say you want me to show me,
Yeah.
show me, you say you want me to show me,
Show me.
you know your body control me, you say you want
Apollo left the dancing alone. My friend, leave the dancing out of it. Just stand up one place like this and sing like this. You say you want me, then show me, show me, show me. You know your body control me. Sing it like this. No dance, cause you can't dance. Me tell you the truth, brother. You can't dance, dog. Left it dancing. Look on this and tell me if this is a dance.
show me,
That part there, alright. But look on the next part. You move like Drake, you know. I like legs. I can't do one thing. You know, I say I move like Drake. Stop it.
You say you want me to show me, you say you want me to show me.
Watch out! Watch out! Boss, I give them a different style. Left it dancing. You left it dancing. Wake up! Watch out! Jump asleep. Class done. Watch out! Class done. I'm on a gym. So hold on. How this a teacher ya? Remember you know, I'm gonna see everything in the brother. I'm gonna talk, you know. How this a teacher ya have this in them ears? Teacher, what you do? Boss don't learn nothing in school today. Nyama fi mother lunch money. You don't learn nothing. Girl him go dream about. Yo, the video nice still. The video nice. But like me say, constructive criticism from me, too much auto-tune. Calm down on the auto-tune next time. Next track you drop, it should be better than this. This bad selling, the video clean as well, you know. The video clean like Jesus Police record. The video clean, bro. But the auto-tune too much. Maybe want hear you more. You want hear your natural voice more. You see me? The concept of the video nice also when you dream, which I could tell that that's gonna happen anyway. Me could have tell you that. Did I go on? So big up yourself on that, Apollo. You know you're my G. Sometime we game together. Long time we no game still, but big up yourself, my fam. See I put out the work. You see me? So I go support you. You see me? And give you the strength. So, guys, I go leave him credential in the description below. So go show him some love. And also, if you need any beats making or anything, he's in America, so him can make some beats for him and things. So him bad, him wicked. So link him up. You hear that? So I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, man? Peace out. Yes, man.